Hi people, in this video we are gonna see how to export an animation to gltf format so that other people can see it on their device with a free software. First thing is the colors. Colors are more or less colors of Eevee, but with a difference that environment is gonna be very shiny, so I prefer you to choose some dark colors. Then if you are gonna share your project without animation, you can directly export it to gltf. If your animation consists of just simple body movements with inserting keyframes, also you can export it directly. But if your animation consists of armature or child of constraints, you have to bake its animations, otherwise it's not going to be shown in gltf export. But if you bake your animations, you will lose your parameters, so we are gonna save it as to a dummy project and move on. Now we are in the dummy project. First, just hide that you unwanted to see. Check your animation. Once you're happy, while hovering the 3D area, hit A to select everything, object, animation, and bake action. Check all the boxes and hit OK. Then again check the animation. OK, we can move on. Then choose File, Export and gltf. If it is not available in here, you can make it happen. References, add-ons, and right there GL. As you can see, import and export of the gltf format is here. Again, export gltf. In this screen I prefer to choose gltf embedded version and tick this box always. Then we have to limit our scene to visible objects, and down in animation always untick this NNA track, because otherwise it's gonna split your animation. Give it a proper name and hit OK. Let's switch to 3D viewer screen and see what we have made. Okay, this is the 3D viewer screen. This is available on Windows 10 and later for free. When you open this application, if you are facing with a blank page, this means you are not up to date, and you can solve this with using Microsoft Store. Otherwise, you may not be able to use animations. Then File, Open, and choose your file. As you can see, it's moving without problem, and it's gonna happen on any device. Thanks.